Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. We will talk about some derivatives of occupy word today. Let's find out how many words we can figure out with this root word. So the first word is occupy. It means to fill up. Example, my rest of the time was occupied with my students. Number 2, occupant. Occupant means a person who holds a property or land. Example, the previous occupants were an Italian family. The third one is occupation. Occupation means some kind of business or some kind of work or employment. My favorite occupation is teaching. It seems to me his favorite occupation is eating. Fourth one is occupier. Occupier means one who holds some kind of property or a land. We can say all the damages will be borne by the occupier of the premises. The last one is occupancy. Occupancy means right of possession. Example, her occupancy in the flat was only for 6 months. So friends, I hope you have seen these derivatives of the word occupy, and I am sure you have understood the meanings also, and you will use it in your day-to-day life. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day and do connect with us to get more information in English language, and enjoy your Ganesh Chaturthi.